Today I am going to share with you how can you make a ringtone with your name. Just follow this video. Open your internet browser, whether it is Mozilla Firefox, Chrome. Type here FDMR. Just type here FDMR and just give a space and enter your name. I am going to enter Surya, right? FDMR space Surya. Your name, just type after FDMR. Here it is, Mr. Surya. Like, we can make this ringtone with your name. It is open the site. Just scroll down. You can find here download. It is the ads. Don't click on that. Just under the green sign, just click this.
Mr. Surya, please pick up the phone.
You can find
Mr.
this.
Surya, please pick up the phone. Mr.
It is the
Surya,
ringtone. You
please
can
pick up the
create
phone.
your
Mr.
name
Surya,
with your
please
name.
pick up the phone. Mr. Surya.
Now another search technique. Name ringtone Surya. You can search anything like that. It is so results same as it is the previous one. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.